Bedtime Storybook
Bedtime Storybook Allah is Great
by whom?
by Alif Satar.
See what's inside this book.
Let's open it. Wonderful.
Terbang pula. So we have 2 instruction cards.
This.
Okay, yang tu untuk apa? So these instruction cards for how to play this board game. And then ada board game yang kat bawah dalam tu. And the other one is how to share with us your bedtime story moment. So this boleh tag diorang lah. Yusuf and Sarah, Scholars Inc. Okay, so jom, let's proceed. What else?
Let's get and open the book.
Jom buka keluar buku ni.
Let's read.
So we have very colourful pages. So nanti buku ni boleh jadi bedtime story kita kan?
Yay.
Cantiknya buku ni. Mami tengok pun seronok.
And there's
What else we have? Oh, ada
there's
card.
a trivia card and inspiration card.
So kita kena potong card ni to play with a card. Tak apa, nanti kita buat another video how to play with this card. And also ada board game lah.
And there's the other game they call
Wow. You have to arrange all the planets according to its orbit.
and you need to put the name all in order.
Good. So nanti kita potong-potong and then susun. Right, so
Yeah.
is that all?
Yeah.
So lepas ni, what do you want to do? I don't even know. Tak apalah. Next video, kita tengok macam mana nak main the board game and the cards. Alright? Bye!
Bye. I'll see you next time. Give a big thumbs up to subscribe to our channel. Bye.